Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the old runway in Trust and Price game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to teleport to the free play mode where you can access the walk the runway feature, and you can go to the menu, select walk the runway, and you just need to choose the old runway that you want to apply. For example, I'm going to apply the pedal runway for the walk the runway. Okay, and it will bring us to the pedal runway. This is from the pedal update 2025 or 2024. And if you want to end it, just click on the end button right here, and you can switch to another runway if you want. That's so simple. And okay guys, that's how you can access the old runway in Trust and Price game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.